Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I am here to show you how you can download or install application CoinOMI in your Android smartphone. CoinOMI is considered a very safe option for your cryptocurrency wallet. It uses multiple layers of security including passwords, biometrics, and passphrases, and stores all your private keys locally on your own device. Now to download application CoinOMI, you just need to open Play Store in your Android smartphone and type in CoinOMI in the search bar. After searching CoinOMI on your phone and after the result pops up, click on application CoinOMI and hit on install. As you can see, CoinOMI has been downloaded in my smartphone. Now you can open the app and use its many features. If this video was helpful to you guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more notification. And please comment down on our videos your reviews for more similar content like this. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.